Nakikita nyo ba yung red lines na yan? Ang ibig sabihin yan, you are approaching an intersection. Yung solid red, that means may intersection sa area na yan. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Pati yung mga green na ganon. Pero hindi ko alam bakit merong ganyan dito when there's not even an intersection here. So, it made me think, the government really just add things without really doing any research. Kasi dagdag pa niyan, like this one, saan napupunta yung bikes niyan, di ba? Eh, tuwing gabi, ginagawang tambakan ng basura yon para i-collecta ng mga garbage trucks. Tapos, may rampa pa dun. Di ba? They expect us to ride there? No way. That's a sidewalk. Hindi yan bike lane. Di ba? Ayan, oh. Sidewalk yan. Para sa mga tao yan. Don't take the lane for the pedestrians. Kasi para sa kanila yun. And no one would even dare, whoop whoop, no one would even dare to ride sa lane na yan. Kasi it's made for your pedestrians. Hindi naman para sa mga cyclists. Dito yan sa C3. Good afternoon guys, it's Monday today. It's 4:18 p.m. And may katabi akong truck. So, C3. Hindi naman talaga ito built for cyclists, pero cyclists do ride here at some point kasi daanan to eh. Pero grabe yun, napakapangit ang quality ng daan dito. Even a motorcycle will have a hard time riding here. And it's been like this for many years now. Hindi pa rin siya inaayos ng government natin. So sana mabigyan pansin to. So saan tayo pupunta today? Pupunta tayo ng Marikina para bumalik sa isang cafe shop na natry ko last night. Recommended by a friend of mine from college. Shoutout sa'yo, Justin. Ang sarap ng drink na yun, grabe. Babalikan ko siya. Ang tawag sa cafe ay Agimat Cafe. It's a very small cafe. It's a very yummy drink, promise. Sobrang kakaiba siya. Yung menu nila is kakaiba. The vibes, the style, I love it. And it's very affordable. In just 180, you have a drink, 12 ounce. Tama ba? 12 ounce, yeah, tama. And they only have one size. So that's good. Ang takedown nila, iba kasi yung timpla for 16 ounces, especially sa espresso and everything. So, they only do 12 ounces. Ganun ba naman tong movie na to? Bigla na lang kakanan, walang signal eh. Diba? Anyway. So, ang daan natin ay... Sige, try mo mag-ano. Tatry niya pa mag-ano overtake eh. Ang ruta natin ay Erod, Aurora, tapos nalimutan ko na actually. I forgot the names of the streets. Pero yeah. So far okay naman ang ating weather. Oh God, no, 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 no. Abot tayo, let's go. Truck yan, hindi natin sasabayan yan. Weather natin ay okay naman. On my left side is pretty dark. On my right, it's pretty dark. Yung gitna okay lang naman. It's 4:21 p.m. I think kakanan tong truck. So I just wanna address some things, you know. Kasi lately I've been seeing a lot of comments sa ating content, no, in all of the platform. Grabe yung hate comments, dude. I can't imagine. Grabe talaga. And it's normal. Normal naman yun, lalo na sa social media. And that doesn't really affect me at all. Lalo na kasi most of them are using fake accounts, or they hide their names, their faces, you know. People who usually ano to? Pwede ba to? People who usually place comment na grabe yung hate are the ones who's using fake accounts and stuff. So I'm like, dude, use your real name, your real face and everything before you throw me some cheap shots. Anyway, that's not the point of this thing. My point is, I don't really plan any of these content. Nangyayari lang siya whenever I ride. Yung mga nagit-git sa bus, yung twice pa nangyari sa Ayala, yung si Patricia lumabas, di ba, yung mga ganon. I don't plan those. I never plan any of those to happen. And I never wanted any of those to happen as well. And in this kind of events, you really see the different kinds of people na lumalabas sa social media. There are people who understand, and there are people who doesn't understand. And that's okay. That's part of it. Sana lang, no? So all people na nagko-comment ng hate stuff, especially the ones that are above the ceiling, like, god damn. Maging responsible sana kayo sa pag-comment. Do your research. Don't throw cheap shots because it'll just make you look worse, you know. At the end of the day, we're just trying to go to our destination or simply just enjoying the ride. Wala namang, naniniwala naman ako na there's really no one out there trying to kill you or anything. It's just the nature of the infrastructure that forces us to behave that way. Which leads us to infrastructure. Diba? So many things to talk about. So many things to consider that most people doesn't really see or understand. And that's okay. That's why I forgive those who try to insult me online. Because those people are usually the ones who doesn't really understand. So anyway, it's 4:25, medyo rush hour na yan later. So I'm expecting a lot of crazy stuff to happen today, which is very normal again in Philippine traffic. Uy, nice one. Mamadali si Kuya. I'm trying to stay at zone 2, pero lagi ako napupunta sa zone 3. So I'm trying to take it easy. Sana hindi tayo maulanan. Kasi ang weird ng rain lately. Bubuhos siya, tapos mawawala after a while. Tapos select areas lang. It's not like when it's raining here, it's gonna rain at BGC or whatever. So, ayan, speaking of, ayan na nga. Kakasabi ko lang, sana wag ulanin eh. Zone 2 lang. Ayan na, nag-zone 3 na. First time ko i-try ito actually in my 5 years of riding fixed gear. Ngayon lang ako nag-try ng heart rate. Malaking tulong pala siya. Lalo na sa long rides. Grabe itong truck na to. Talagang didikit ang kanya sa puweta mo eh. Hindi nag-e-exist sa kanila yung give space eh. Dikit kung dikit para lang makapasok kasi nagmamadali ako eh. Ganun sila. Partida, nasa gilid na ako ah. And you know what's funny? Maabutan ko rin naman sila. Mamadali. Maabutan din naman. big truck incoming. Abot pa tayo? 2, 3, 4, Dilaw. Mali ako. Anyway. Huwag ka muna bumuhos. Ulan eh. Tingnan mo, kukunin niya yan. Kukunin niya yan. Pustahan tayo, di ba? Tingnan mo, kalahati na nandun na, Tingnan mo, di ba? Galing, di ba? Galing, Baliwan session. Bango talaga lagi dito. Amoy gubat. Amoy nature. At lumalakas na yung ambon. Back at zone 2. Chill lang tayo today. Medyo pagod pa ang body. Haven't had quality sleep lately. It's been hard. Dahil napakainit. Ang init sa Pinas. Uy! Uy! Nakadilaw, hindi tayo kasya dyan. Ay, meron din pala dito. Ay, ganere. Ba't kasi nakaharang ang tricycle? Oh. I just go. Ang tricycle na ulit sa harapan, nakaharang na ulit ay. You know what? Whatever. Hanap tayong diskarte. Hanap tayo ng espasyo natin. Mahirap dito magbike ngayon dahil sa nangyayari. Oh my God. Kita ka siya dun. Oh, yung buong kalahati pala, Ay, grabe. So, di ba lang... Grabe, sobrang bottleneck pala dito. Oh? Anong magagawa ng busina mo, tol? Tingin mo bibilis yung traffic pag ginawa mo yan? Hindi naman eh. Syunga-syunga rin tong mga driver na to. Ano, sige nga. Lagyan ko ito ng air horn. Gawin ko sa kanila yun, di ba? The same thing, same concept. Nothing will happen pag bumusina ka sa traffic. Bad traffic. Just go, you're just making more noise pollution. God damn, this... What? Grabe, L300 na to Ano ng heart rate natin? 134. Ayan na naman tayo. Zone 2, Jules. Zone 2 lang. Dahil dumidilim na. Yup, yup. Dikit eh. Laki naman kasi ng sasakyan niya. Papasok tayo dito sa PNP checkpoint. Ano yung nag-crankset ko? May tumutunog. So far, chill pa yung E-Rod. Tignan natin yung Aurora mamaya. Ay, tricycle. Galing talaga, no? Ikakat ka nila, tapos i-overtake. Kukunin linya mo. Nag-iosip pa siya, Galing, no? Grade 2. I think this is 4. Oh, 5. Galing mo, Nabara. Zone 4, baby. Okay, pa-Aurora na tayo. For everyone who is new to the channel, and if you're liking this kind of videos na wala, nag-write lang, chika-chika lang. Yung mga yan. Make sure to subscribe and click that like button. Share it to your friends and stuff. Also, I do hope na may matutunan din kayo. Grabe talaga yung bike lane dito. Ginagawang parking eh. Ayun. Bike lane equals parking. Okay, kubaw na tayo guys. It's 4:46. Not bad. BYD. Skrut. Everybody's rushing it. Yan ang nangyari sa stoplight, nawala. Is it still green? I don't know, bro. Hi! Okay, Aurora Boulevard. Ito na ang tunay na bakbakan. Una sa lahat, naayos na yung daan dito. Pero kulang pa rin ng markings. Hindi pa rin nila nagagawa yung mga markings. So hindi alam ng mga drivers tuloy saan ba ang mga linya. Although siyempre gets na yon, di ba? As a driver, alam mo na yung linya mo, quote and quote. Pero let's be honest, yung linya naman dito sa Aurora, hindi naman yan nasusunod eh. Lalo na sa mga jeepney na yan. Tingnan mo, there are 3 jeepneys in front of me at kalat sila. They don't know where to go. Yung isa, nasa kaliwa. Kasi ang dami puno na siya eh, oh. Marami na siyang sakay. Hindi niya na kailangan magsakay. Itong mga nasa kanan, nag-aanap pa yan ng pasahero. Oh! Naka-green kami. Ano ba yan? Now you know why I always stay sa left side ng jeepney. Okay, it's not as crazy as I thought, but you know, it's still crazy. Baka kasi medyo maaga pa. 5 PM pa lang. Magpa 5 PM. It's 4:50 pa lang. Wee-oo. Ay, hindi siya kasya. So, dito tayo. Okay. Kita niyo yung dilaw na yan sa sidewalk? That is designed para sa mga bulag. Ngayon, kita niyo, putol siya doon, oh. So, saan siya pupunta, di ba? Pwede niya dito, wala na dito. So, wala na, di ba? Uy, ano yun? Uy. Sige, kuya. Hindi halata. Ay! Yo! Grabe! Bigla ang liko ah. Late na yung signal eh. Kasya kaya si kuya? Hindi siya kasya. Naka-green. My God, wrong choice. Oopsie daisy. Wrong choice tayo na road. Sayang, naka-green yung kabila eh. Abot ba kaya tayo? I think naman. I think so, yeah. Abot naman pala tayo. Okay, we are close to Marikina. Ayan, yung bike lane here, useless na yan. May mga lubak. May puno. Ginagamit ng mga motorista. So better not use it. Or it depends. Really depends. Right now, okay lang kasi maluwag pa naman. Pero everybody's gonna converge here for sure. Like this jeepney. Ayan o. Kukunin niya yan. Hindi na yan magtitira ng espasyo. Yup! Goods. Okay, aakit tayo ng bridge. Tapos bababa tayo. Medyo crazy ang daan dun eh. So, doon tayo mag-iingat. Botog! Or is it B0CHO6? Okay, here we go. We're gonna switch to the right lane. We are free. Grabe, speed limit here is 30. We're traveling at what? 44? Okay, bawas na tayo dito. Naalala ko sila Allen, dinala ko dito, hindi nila alam pababa ito. Ay! Let's go, bawas. Dahil ang baba, ang hirap talaga pigil! There you go. Hell yeah, no skid, baby. As much as possible, ayoko mag-skid. Ang mahalang gulong ko, bago lang. Ayoko maubos ka agad. Yo. Okay. Yeah, traffic talaga dito is so bad. It's always been like this. Oh, ambulance. Yep, let's go. Okay, we're so close. Sakit sa kamay ah. Yep, masakit sa kamay pag nagpipigil ng malakas. Woohoo! Grabe yung yung cyclist doon, sinugod niya. Kasi naman eh, magkakaliwa din, nakita niya, double yellow line na yan, no? Para maiwasan yung ganun. Pero wala. Hindi pa rin nila sinusunod. Okay, it's the crazy part. Wala na tayong space. Guys, we have no space. God damn. Yep. Ayaw nga pala, no? Nagiging 3 lane pala to ng ganitong oras. Dahil sa traffic. Lahat ang inbound hindi na magkasya sa 2 lines. That's why this happens. Uy. Ay, hindi na ako kasya dyan. Kasya ba tayo din eh? Yes. Hirap makapagsabayan. Naiipit lahat dito dahil sa mga jeepney na nagbababa at nagsasakay. School zone tayo, so slow down. I mean, we are already slow. Lapit na tayo sa bridge. Yo. Ayan na, amoy ko na yung ulan. At lamig ng hangin bigla, oh. Okay. So, bottleneck na dito. We have to slow down. Oy, mga motor, pasok. Let's go. Excuse me po. Ako'y makikiraan. Yep. Whoopsie daisy. Sa wakas! Eto na! Bike lane. Ang bike lane na nagiging motor lane. So, if I remember it right, we will turn right. Dito. Yes. Sana may pastry sila. Sabi ko kagabi, babalik ako sa kanila bukas. I never thought I'd do it talaga. Whoop whoop. O dito, baliktad na. Nasa kaliwa na ang bike lane. Okay, malapit na tayo. So nilakad lang namin yung last night. I don't really remember how to go there nang nakabike. So, gagamit tayo ng memories. So, nasa Cap Moy yun. We here again at Marikina for that drink. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, that drink is fire. Okay, Eskinita yun eh. Ito. I found it. I think so. Is it this? Okay, Cap Moy siya. You're right. Yeah, Cap Moy. Then, oh, I forgot, gagi. There's a gate eh. There was a gate. I thought ito yung gate. This one. Yun. Found it. Here we go. Sa wakas. Hello. May pupu. Hello, isang Salamangka.
Ay,
Wala!
palang po sana.
Ha?
Available po yung the rest of the menu natin except po yung salamangka tsaka isang araw sa inyo.
Why? Sige, na lang. Try ko yung blueberry latte.
Blueberry latte.
Sigbin. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. We here at Agimat.
Sorry,
sila.
here po ba yun or to go?
To go na lang.
To
To
go.
go. Yeah. Tapos i-GG cash ka.
Okay.
So yan, ito na yung Agimat. So you can find this at Cap Moy. Yung dinaanan natin na Eskinita. So if you see this road, ito na yun. Tapos nasa right side siya pagpasok nyo. Makikita nyo itong Agimat. Ayan, it's a very small cafe. Ito yung mga tables nila. There's so many meanings. Hi, Mings! Hi! So yeah, chill muna tayo. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to visit Agimat and try out their drinks. Ito yung menu nila. Ayan, ito yung hindi kape. This is what I like the most. Ang sarap niyan. Pero ito try natin today since this is not available. Ito yung kape nila. May pastry po kayo?
Pasok lang po.
Wala din. Goddamn. Sige, okay lang. Last night, wala din eh.
Nandito po kayo last night?
Yeah po,
Si
last
Master
night.
po yung nag-serve.
Oo po, yung nagba-brother. So yan, ito yung nila. Let's go!